Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this kind of content, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience using MeMD. MeMD offers a unique approach to knowledge management. It's designed to help you capture, connect, and grow your ideas. The platform boasts a sleek and intuitive interface, making it easy to navigate and utilize its features. One of the key functionalities is the ability to link different pieces of information together, fostering a web of interconnected knowledge. This interconnectedness allows you to explore concepts in a non-linear fashion, mirroring the way our brains naturally process information. Think of it as a digital garden for your thoughts. MeMD also emphasizes spaced repetition, a proven learning technique that helps you retain information more effectively. By revisiting concepts at increasing intervals, you reinforce your understanding and solidify them in your long-term memory. The platform integrates this seamlessly, prompting you to review material at optimal times. This feature alone makes MeMD a powerful tool for students and lifelong learners alike. Another notable aspect of MeMD is its focus on collaboration. You can easily share your knowledge graphs with others, facilitating discussions and collaborative learning. This collaborative environment fosters a sense of community and allows for the exchange of diverse perspectives. Furthermore, MeMD provides robust search capabilities, enabling you to quickly locate specific information within your ever-growing knowledge base. Beyond just note-taking, MeMD encourages deeper engagement with your ideas. It promotes critical thinking by prompting you to connect concepts and explore relationships between them. This active learning process leads to a more profound understanding of the subject matter. In a world saturated with information, MeMD provides a structured and efficient way to not just consume information, but to truly internalize and build upon it. It's a valuable tool for anyone looking to cultivate a deeper understanding of the world around them. Check it out via the link below and see how it can help you cultivate your own digital garden of knowledge.